everybody. It's time for another 100 Mondays. It's me, Francis, again, with this big painting. It's going to be over at Ginger's. It's getting underway. It's finally coming together. As you can see, it's really blue, and it's going to be pretty awesome as soon as it's done. I can't wait to get to that skeleton down there. Basically, I don't really have much else to say except that I can't wait till it's done, and that I'm still mixing my blues, making another blue, and there's a lot of blue here, and it's not just straight from the tube. It's blue that I've had to mix and put together. Not that I'm complaining, I'm just saying. There's a lot of mixing and color mixing going on, as you can see down there. I've gone through several plates in order to get this to look really good. I don't want to make it straight from the tube. I like creating colors, even if it is just another blue, but still, I don't know, it's pretty awesome. So anyway, I can't wait till it's finished, and see you guys next time.